Welcome to my channel, Cal Naturals. One of the most popular goals of the ketogenic diet is weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight with a keto diet, you're undoubtedly wondering how to start a keto diet and how much you can lose without counting calories. It's difficult to give an exact response because everybody is different. However, this video will go over the average weight loss rate for most keto dieters, as well as keto weight loss recommendations. How much weight can I lose, and how quickly can I lose it on keto? Everyone's body is different, which means that everyone's weight loss pace is different as well. The success of your keto diet will be determined by 4 primary elements. The state of your health. Do you have a weight problem? What is your current level of energy? Do you suffer from thyroid issues? Do you suffer from insulin resistance or any other type of blood sugar problem? What is the state of your metabolism? How quickly you lose weight is determined by your overall health. If you have hormonal or metabolic disorders, for example, this process may take longer than intended. Your physical makeup. How much body fat do you need to get rid of? How much muscle mass do you have? How does your BMI, your body mass index, measure up? If you have a lot of extra weight to lose, you'll probably lose weight more quickly at first. Your daily routines. Your weight loss efforts will be made or broken by your activity and eating habits. What does a keto meal plan entail for you? Do you prefer high-fat junk food like processed meats over clean keto foods like coconut oil, avocado, and MCT oil? Are you on the lookout for carbs that aren't readily apparent? Do you go for a run? Your daily energy expenditure and eating habits have an impact on how efficiently your body burns fat. Period of fat adaptation for you. It takes time for your body to become fat adapted, and the amount of time it takes varies depending on your metabolism. For example, if you're transitioning from a standard American diet and your adult body has never run on ketones before, it may take a bit longer to adjust. When your body is in ketosis, you will lose weight. Consistency is the key to achieving keto diet results. This entails consuming keto-friendly foods such as healthy fats, vegetables, and high-quality meats. Treat the keto diet as a lifestyle change and a metabolic shift in your health, not just a diet. Set yourself up for success when it comes to weight loss. It's critical to get the basics perfect before you start your keto weight loss journey. Some people believe that simply switching from a high-carb American diet to a paleo or low-carb diet will put them in ketosis. This isn't always the case though. It's critical to ensure that you're running on ketones rather than carbs. You won't burn fat or lose weight if you don't do this. Calculate your keto macronutrients. To calculate your specific keto macros, use the keto calculator. It will be much easier to enter and stay in ketosis if you have a nutritional objective based on your body composition. Tracking your macros may appear to be a lot of work at first, but after you acquire a sense of how many grams of carbs, proteins, and fats are in the foods you eat most regularly, it will become second nature. Use the keto calculator to figure out your macros. Allow your body to enter ketosis at its own pace. Ketosis might take anywhere from 2 to 7 days to achieve. It is entirely dependent on your unique physique and metabolic state. If you want to avoid the keto flu or any other potential side effects, don't skip this step. To avoid overstressing your system, women should give themselves plenty of time to fall in ketosis. Check your ketone levels. At least in the beginning, testing your ketone levels is the best approach to see if you're in ketosis or not. A blood ketone meter is the most accurate tool. You're in nutritional ketosis if your levels stay over 3.5 moles per liter. Urine test strips are a less expensive choice. Eat a ketogenic diet that isn't dirty. It's not just about the macros, but also about the quality of your diet. You can stay in ketosis by eating processed cheese singles and ham slices, but this isn't the ideal approach to nourish yourself. Instead, choose high-quality keto meals such as avocado oil, fresh leafy greens, wild salmon, and grass-fed beef. Move around a lot. If you increase your everyday physical activity, you'll lose weight faster. Remember that you don't have to go to the gym 6 times a week or jog every morning to get more exercise. Simply move more in your daily life. Do a 2-minute break from sitting every hour. Use the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk while errands if possible. Use a standing desk or take phone calls while standing up and walking about. At the end of the day, these little calorie-burning motions add up. The keto diet's average weight loss. As you may already be aware, not everyone loses weight at the same pace. However, the following is a broad summary of what most people lose when they follow the keto diet. Week 1. Rapid water weight loss, 2 to 10 pounds. Many people lose weight quickly during the first week of the keto diet, anywhere from a few pounds to as much as 10 pounds. This is because when you cut back on carbs, your body loses a lot of water weight, not fat. What causes this to happen? Water is required for carbohydrates to stay in your body. When your body doesn't consume glucose right away, it's stored in your muscles as glycogen, which binds to water. 2 to 3 grams of water are stored for every gram of glycogen. When you initially start keto, your body will burn through all of its glycogen reserves before turning to fat. When it runs out of glycogen, it expels the water that was used to store it. That's why your weight fluctuates so much during the first week of the keto diet. While it isn't fat loss, it is an indication that your body is about to enter ketosis or fat-burning mode. This quick water loss can cause dehydration and constipation, so drink extra water each day than usual to keep things moving. Short and medium term. Weight loss that is more consistent, about 1 to 2 pounds per week. After a week or two, weight loss normally slows down and becomes more consistent. This is also the period when your body converts from burning carbs to burning fat, which means you'll actually be losing weight at this point. A weekly weight reduction of 1 to 2 pounds or 0.5 to 1 kilograms is considered safe. Here's what research says about the ketogenic diet and weight loss. One study found that obese individuals lost 13.6 kilograms or 30 pounds after 2 months on the keto diet, with over 88% of patients losing more than 10% of their baseline weight. Lean mass remained largely unaffected. In another trial, obese patients weighing 101 kilograms lost 10 kilograms or 22 pounds in just 8 weeks. By week 16, they had shed an additional 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds and 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds by week 24. They shed 15 kilograms or 33 pounds in 5.5 months. That works out to 1.3 pounds per week. In one trial, individuals weighing 108 kilograms lost 11.1 kilograms or 24.5 pounds in 24 weeks, despite having obesity and type 2 diabetes. That's a weekly weight loss of 1 pound. In a fourth research study, 120 obese, hyperlipidemic patients shed 9.4 kilograms or 20.7 pounds of fat mass over the course of 24 weeks. That works out to 0.8 pounds every week. A meta-analysis of 13 research studies indicated that patients who followed a ketogenic diet lost more weight than those who followed a low-fat diet. The amount of weight you lose depends on how long you've been on the keto diet, how much weight you need to lose, and your health. The first 2 to 3 months of the keto diet appear to be when people lose the most fat, though you can continue to lose weight as long as you stick to the diet. Long term, weight loss will be slower. Weight reduction slows as you get closer to your ideal weight. Your total daily calorie demands decrease when your weight lowers. So even if you continue to eat less calories to lose weight, the difference will be minimal. You may go weeks without losing any weight, only to weigh a week or two later and realize that you've lost 3 to 4 pounds. The important thing is to keep going and not give up. Just make sure you're still in ketosis and give your body plenty of time to function. This means that the keto diet can help you lose weight quickly and sustainably. If you continue with it for a few months, you'll notice the most results. And if you stick with it long enough, you won't gain the weight back. Click the link in the description to get the Bulletproof Keto Diet Ebook, priced regularly at $29.99, now only $1 with coupon code. Thanks for watching.